Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. We don't need a plan B, about to have a family. Sounding like a Grammy, every time you speak, make me wanna sing. Yeah, make me wanna sing. So passionate like Jackson, 5 heartbeats, temptation. Girl, don't keep me waiting. I love you, that's Cupid, that's Soul Child with the music. You my boo, that's Alicia. I told you I need you, that's Jazz. And baby girl, you bad, so won't you come in? Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Yeah, music for my soul, classic R&B.
I see baby, cool with it, drowning in your love, like a pool with it, way below the surface, bag, in the things, now you see the inner bag, never sweat, no. Baby, come and talk to me, walk with me, show them how it ought to be, hey, yeah, bring your love back like we ordered, yeah, never seen a rip, we gon' show
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me.
Let me know what's on your mind. Let me hold you down, I promise. There's a future if you grind with me. Crazy and love like J&B. It feels good when you say my name. Make me wanna rock the boat. I ain't tryna float, I'm tryna drown, wanna go deep. Never been a scrub or a creep. Ain't no ordinary love. I peep, I keep it on the low. Cause no one really gotta know what we got going on. I'm selfish, I want you all the time. All to myself, no mic jet, but you know the girl is mine.
Baby, come and talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy. Music for my soul, classic R&B. Talk to me. Jodeci, tryna show you love, it's that TLC. You're my favorite song, you're my therapy.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Before I begin my extra read all about it, I just want to send a big thank you to Victoriaswig for sponsoring today's video. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site. Okay, is y'all ready for this tea on this wig, y'all? Because this wig is the bomb.com, okay? Like, yo, get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, hey, big girl, won't you back it up? Hey, won't you back it up? Yes! Y'all already know when I come on the scene, skinning and grinning and singing, y'all already know I love the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the tea to this unit. This unit is very special to me, near and dear to my heart. So, pretty brown eyes, you know I see ya. This wig is so beautiful. Like, she is really, really beautiful. Like, I know my man looked at me and was like, you send me swinging. Oh, you send me swinging. All right, y'all. So the wig that I am wearing today, her name is, can I get a drum roll, please? Brrr. Her name is Shaniece. Yes, y'all. So today I am wearing Miss Shaniece. Yes, I'm not fooling y'all. If y'all don't believe me, go down below and click the link and you will see her name. Miss Shaniece. You know, we doing big things. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Yes. So Miss Shaniece is, y'all, I'm a skin and grin every time I say it, okay? So Miss Shaniece is a 360 lace frontal. She is a loose, deep wave wig. She is in 20 inches and she is 150% in density. Yes. Drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Yes, y'all, I'm really feeling Miss Shaniece. She is a banger. And no, it's not because we got the same name. We don't do those things, okay? We don't lie just because the wig has the same name as me. We still gonna keep it real. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the pros and cons of this wig. Y'all, I don't have no cons. No cons. This is my second time working with this brand. I love their first wig so much that they wanted to work with me again because they love me so much and they sent me another banger. Okay? So this wig is thebomb.com and I don't have no cons, period. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into the pros. The first pro to this wig, I would have to say, is the hair. This hair is so beautiful. It is so soft. It is so pretty. Like, oh my goodness. Look, I'm just running my hands through this wig and look at that. Just flowing. First thing Monday morning, I'm gonna pack my tears away. Just let it flow. Hey, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. I did things a little different with this wig. I did not shampoo and deep condition this wig. One, because it didn't have a smell to it. And two, I wanted to keep this curl pattern. Like I said, this wig does not come with a funky smell. So I'm not sitting up here mad like, what's that smell? My hair stinks. As far as tangling and shedding, I did receive some shedding after I cut off the lace. But after I cut off the lace and brushed the hair out completely, I did not receive any additional shedding. So we can go ahead and brush the wig, do a nape test. I'm gonna show y'all all that, and y'all will see that this wig is popping like Chris Brown. We keep it on and popping. So we're gonna go ahead and do a nape test. Yo, this hair is so pretty. Look at it, my fingers are just gliding through the wig. Yes. And I have one piece of hair in my hand. We can go ahead and brush it out, and y'all can just see how beautiful it is. Like, that is so pretty. Look at that.
Made me wanna rock the boat. I ain't trying to float, I'm trying to drown, wanna go.
Another pro to this wig is the hairline and the parting space. Y'all know I love a natural hairline. I just think it makes your wigs look so much more realistic. I did not have to pluck anything. I wasn't gonna plug anything anyway. We just, we just gonna be clear on that. But I didn't plug anything. I did not apply any Sally Hansen Deep Glow Spray to this lace. I just add some pressed powder to the hairline and to the parting space, and it looks really, really good. So another pro to this wig is the lace as well. As far as the wig being big head friendly, my head size is a 22, and this wig is fitting me to a T. Y'all notice I got a little sideburn action. Like, who am I? Like, what? Girl is showing off because the wig is named after me. I am showing off today in this video. So, yes, I did lay down my sides. It is fitting me perfectly. I didn't lay this side of the wig. The ear tabs are falling perfectly. Like, it's matching up with my hairline to a T. I did not apply any makeup to this part of the wig. And as you can see, the lace still looks good. It's not like too bright to the point where I had to do a whole lot of tips and tricks to make it blend in with my skin. This wig is amazing. I love it so much. The hair is beautiful. I love the style of this wig, hence the reason why I did not shampoo it. I don't have anything negative to say. I have zero complaints when it comes to this wig. Like, what? Yo, Shanice is bomb.com, and no, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about her. She is the bomb.com, and she got me feeling myself. I covered everything when it comes to this wig. If y'all have any additional questions, y'all know y'all can drop them down below and ask me, would I recommend this wig? Yes, I would. Especially if you're looking for a 360 frontal. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. When I first pulled this wig out the box and saw that all that lace, I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do with this? I was so intimidated. But with a 360 frontal, you do not have to lay the entire unit. I know I wasn't going to lay the entire unit because I'm claustrophobic, okay? I didn't want my scalp to be closed up. But just know you have that option to lay the entire unit, so you can pull it up and style it. Do all the things that your man won't do, like Joe. All of the things your man won't do. Even though this wig is a 360 lace frontal, I believe that it's beginner friendly because I did not have to do a whole lot of work to this wig. Like no plucking. I mean, let's be real. I won't go pluck nothing anyway. I would have just, you know, sped it up and showed y'all and act like I knew what I was doing when I really don't. The lace blends so well on this unit. All you need is some makeup. Like, that's it, y'all. And I'm just so amazed by this unit. Like, I love it so much. And I love her even more because she got my name. Like, I'm not even gonna sit up here in front to y'all like I don't love this wig a whole lot more because she got my name. Like, come on now. This is Miss Shanise Nicole Jr. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video, y'all, because I'm gonna just keep going on and on, you know, like Erykah Badu. Just keep singing, you know what I'm saying? Singing into the next lifetime, you know, maybe when we butterflies, you know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking of this unit, y'all. I'm really feeling her. And let me know, do y'all like her name? Once again, a big thank you to Victoriaswig for sponsoring today's video. If you guys like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions, or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
In a bed, never sweat.